everyone, welcome to Gladtech YouTube channel. This morning we're talking about how to be offline on TikTok. For you to be offline on TikTok, these are the steps. You must have a TikTok app. There are two methods of being offline on TikTok. The first method is you go to your profile. When you get to your profile, you click on the three dot there at the right corner. Click on setting and privacy. Click on privacy. Your activity status, you make sure your activity status is off. If your activity status is off, that means nobody will know you're online except you that knows that you're online. Your followers will not know, and they will not be able to see your suggestions too. Or the second method is you come to your inbox here, go to your click on this inbox at the right. You see you off it. You see this place, the tab here. Click on it. When you click on it, it is going to be off. That way they will know that nobody will know that you're online. You're going to be offline on TikTok. So that's it. Please, if this video is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll be at the comment section.